Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Diffusion. So today my video is all about how to create a Microsoft Azure account, a free Microsoft Azure account, which is helpful who want to understand what is the Microsoft Azure cloud. Microsoft Azure, I think everyone knows that one of the three famous cloud services provider. Like one of the Google Cloud, other is a AWS, and another one is a Microsoft Azure. So today we will discuss about like how we can register and how we can log in and how we get a Microsoft free Azure account. So for that what we need to do, I will show you and how you will create that account and how you will use this service. For that what we will charge, like it is a free. Microsoft charges for you that service is a 0 rupees. So let's start for that free Microsoft Azure account. So before start, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so start. So first what you need to do, for that first of all you need one of the Gmail account. Okay, at least you need a one of the Gmail account. I think everyone uses one of the Gmail account, right? So for like mobile when we are started, then we need any other account. So for that Microsoft Azure account, you need any other mail address. Like if you want to use Hotmail, Gmail, any other, so you need one of the mail account. Okay, so once you created that account, after then what you need to do, go to your just Google Chrome or your Mozilla Firefox and type portal.azure.com. This is the exactly the address, https://portal.azure.com. Okay, once you click on that, then this page will open at your end. As if you already have account, then you can use that email or that account, or if you have not account on that, as we are creating a free account, so what we will do, like we will create one. For that means to create account, you need to click on the create one. Okay, so I just click on that create one. Okay, once you click on that create one, you need to enter one of the email address. Okay, as I have already, I told you, like I created one of the Gmail account for this, and which is I did not use, only for that creating Microsoft Azure, and for that I created this account with my name. Okay, so for that, like I have already account, as I told you, like what I will do, I will type that account name. You can, if you want to use your mobile number, then it is also possible. Okay, so but I want to use a Gmail address, so that is why I uses Gmail. Guys, please do not send any mail on this mail address, because this is a temporary account. After that, once I initiate, I will delete this account. Yeah, so once you create it, then you need to enter a password. So create your password, as I am creating for myself. Okay, just create a password. Okay, they will send you one of the code. Okay, so in that, you what you need to do, go to your email address, check that they will send you a one of the mail. So check that you will receive a mail. As you see, one of the mail, yeah, you just check, they send you a one of the mail. Yeah, now you check that this is the code. Yeah, so guys, so as we entered that OTP, whatever verification mail we received, so when we enter this detail, then it will open our account like this thing. So from this way we can understand. And if you want to learn about this complete thing, whatever they are doing inside that, then you will see a pop-up like a start tour or maybe later. As I already know about that thing, then I choose the maybe later, and after then you will see the menu. So this is the menu, total menu, and if you want to add your favorites inside this, you just see, click and paste the on the star. Once you press the star, then you will see it is come inside that. Well, as I already have, then I don't click on that. And as we need to, like, once we created that account, but to start any service and use that service, first of all we need a subscription. Okay, so for that, you what you need to do, just click on start. Okay, once you click on the start, then it's come on this page. Okay, after that, this page, what you need to do, you need to enter every detail, your first name, last name, middle name, if you have phone number, and verify your mobile number, organization name, whatever you want to, like XYZ, anything you want to put, then it is also possible. After then, what you need to do, like, as I am putting, okay, I did not putting my mobile number because it's a safety purpose. And after then I agree, and you need to click on that and just press next. Yeah, but they need a mobile number, so I am just putting a temporary. Yeah, as we need to put our mobile number. After that mobile number, you need to verify your mobile number. Once you verify, you need to enter a PAN card number because it's a subscription which is a 0 rupees cost. But from the Microsoft provided you 13,300 rupees for the 30 days. So for that, they will charge you 0 rupees, but they provided from herself. So for that, you need to enter these details. Once you prepare this detail and enter this detail, now identity verification by card. So once you click on that, because we did not proceed with the next detail, once you proceed with this detail, then it will comes to your provide the card detail. And that card detail, what you need to do, they provide a debit card and credit card, but our debit card is a prepaid card, means like for that EMI conversion and everything, it is not possible. So they need a credit card detail. Whoever user have a credit card, who can use this Microsoft Azure account. Okay, once you provide that detail, then a pop-up, for that they will charge you 2 rupees also. Once you provide that credit card detail, they will charge you 2 rupees. And once you provide that detail and you pay for the 2 rupees, then they will put and show you the success message. Okay, once the success message is come, okay, and after then your account is create, then you will able to use every service of Microsoft Azure, like virtual machine, app service, SQL database, Azure Cosmos DB, and everything you can use for the 30 days. Okay, what will happen after 30 days? Okay, after that 30 days, they have provide like a pay as a plan. This plan we will discuss in the next video. Pay as plan. So like pay as plan, like if you are a practitioner for that Microsoft Azure, you want to learn about the cloud and this Microsoft Azure portal, so use the pay as your plan. For what that do, pay as your plan. So you have already subscription after the 30 days, so the subscription will expire. The pay as your plan provide you facility like practice your thing, everything like virtual machine and everything, delete that thing, then they did not charge you any rupees, like a 0 rupees they will charge you. Like you use that service and you practice your everything on that, after that you delete, then they will charge you 0 rupees. So you can use this service also for you. So this is the exactly way we will create Microsoft Azure account. So guys, if you think this video is helpful and it is a very helpful for you, and you want to developer like Microsoft Azure, so you will use this video, and this video will helpful for you. In next video this series, we will discuss about like how we will use the Pay Azure account, and how we will create virtual machine, how we will use this SQL database and other services of Microsoft Azure. So in the next series we will discuss other thing also of that Microsoft Azure portal. So guys, like, if you think my video is good, then like, share, subscribe.